All right, so another Will It Mix video. So today, what are we doing today, Stacy?
Cosmic brownies.
I love cosmic brownies. I remember getting these in my lunchbox as a kid.
Do you remember the ones that had the like the peanuts on them, pecans?
No.
Those were my favorite.
Were they like the little cinnamon roll pecan things?
No, they looked just like this, but they had nuts on them instead of the candies.
Huh. No, I haven't
They were
seen
my
those.
favorites.
I haven't seen those.
They don't make them anymore.
Really?
Because I pick all the candies off and eat the brownie.
Wrap. We're gonna do the clear and the white. Disclaimer, you can't eat the slime after you mix the food into it, please. It will make you completely sick. This clear batch has been since like May 29th, so it might be a little sticky, but I wanted to go ahead and use it up so I didn't have to reactivate it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it is definitely a little sticky. And okay. Cosmic brownie. Who remembers this as a kid? I love these things. These things are amazing. I'm like just gonna like put mine in there like that. What do you guys think? I like it. I'm gonna fold it in. I can smell it too. It smells so good. Okay. Oh no.
Oh gosh. You're making a mess.
I'm always making a mess.
True story.
It's falling out. Oh my goodness. This slime is like so sticky though.
This brownie made mine sticky.
Oh. You can see like the big old chunks in there.
Oh god, I can't get it off my hands now.
It's completely stuck to my hands. I can't do it.
I should have taken my ring off.
Oh no.
Okay. Fail.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that slime today. It is like super. Well, there you go. Cosmic brownie. It smells freaking amazing though. Like it smells so good.
Like it's stuck to the table.
It does, but yeah, you can't eat this. Please do not try. Yeah, so will it mix? Absolutely not. Was it cool? Kinda. Yeah, we've had better. The smell though, the smell is amazing. Like it smells great.
Not better,
Like
not better than the coffee one though.
the coffee one, like I would say on par with the coffee one. Like this one is pretty close. But like it is just oh. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate all the comments. We hope everybody has a great day and we'll see you in the next video.